Hi again, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you know me, you know I'm an incurable gadget hound, and I found this the other day. It's called a peel away. It's a kitchen gadget, and it's supposed to either peel your potatoes or your apples, or it also does some spiraling effect. So I thought I'd show you how to do it, do a little review. Again, this is a peel away by Back to Basics. It's a kitchen utensil that has a suction mount that mounts to your cupboard. Just a handle along the thread, or you can press this button down here and just slide it quickly. It has a suction cup here that'll let you mount it. Let's see if I can get it mounted. There we go. Pretty good mounting job. That's good. Got a red potato here. We're going to try to peel. Stick it on the spears. Careful. All the way down. And then it has a blade here that you can adjust. And this blade is on a spring. The blade's on the underside, so I'm not getting cut. It's on a spring that should follow the contours of the potato. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit and start the crank. Start to crank. It's going to catch in a second. There it goes. Yeah, it's following the contours. Pretty cool. Slowly. I think slow is better. It doesn't look like it's wasting a lot either. It's definitely not as messy as a regular scraper or a regular peeler. Okay, coming up on the finishing end, see what it does. Okay, I'm going to zoom out, show you what we did. Very nice. Again, press this button for a quick retraction. No, I can't because I'll just pull this off. Okay, here's my potato. And it looks like it did about a 90% peel. I could probably use a little peeler to do the ends, get that off. I've got one big 10-foot long peel. Maybe you could use that for something. But for this application, it worked really well. That is a peeled potato, maybe with a little bit of cleanup. So if you're doing 25 potatoes, I could see this being a potential time saver. There's another attachment on here, down here, that's kind of like a, I'm not sure what it's called, but it makes a solid vegetable or an apple or a fruit. It peels it into a nice spiral, so you can make some spiral fries or something like that. So I'll take another potato and we're going to put this piece up and I'll show you how the spiral action works. And that'd be good if you have a deep fryer. Pretty cool. So remove this. I'm going to put this up here. Make sure it goes through. Because this is a blade here, circular blade. Okay, that's going through there. Pull it back. Grab another potato. It's a little bit smaller potato. Put it on there. Probably going to lower this. I lowered the blade out of the way, and now we're just going to go towards this one. Here we go. You can see it's starting to spiral as it pushes through. So what we're left with is a potato core. And I'll pull this back. And all this long spiral piece.